What's good, angels? It's your girl EarthAngel naturally all up on your screen, and welcome back to another Hairtastic Monday video. Alright, but if remember when last me upload my Hairtastic Monday video, I know say all of my naturalistas out there and all my Hairtastic people are ready and waiting. So for this week, for our official first video for 2020, big up on yourself. For those of you who aren't fans of my Decision series, Happy New Year. And I hope your year has been going along great so far. I hope you have a lot of big plans and that all of them come true. And if all of them don't come true, no worry yourself. Because someone great once said, if you achieve all your goals that you had for your year, you did not set enough goals. Enough said. Alright guys, so like I said, for this week we will be talking hair. And what kind of hair may I talk? Locks. Now, I have been experimenting with crochet locks for the better part of last year in 2019, and I had two very different experiences, so different that I thought it would be great if I shared those experiences with you guys, so that if you're interested in getting crochet locks for yourselves, you can have, you know, some idea where I get into. So alright, so for today I'll be talking about Bae Locs versus Luna locks. Now, if you have ever used crochet locks before, then you know that you don't have to like get, okay, so for, how it pronounced, is that a faux locks or fox locks? I'm not really sure, but yeah, that is different from the crochet locks. Now it's the same like fake locks or whatever, but one they wrap it themselves, and then one you can buy already pre-wrapped or pre-made or whatever, and then crochet it into your hair like you can carry your hair, blah 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 blah. Right now I'm wearing passion twist, and this is crocheting for those of you who want an idea. So my hair isn't out at all, it's all, you know, this is like extreme protective styling. So that's what crochet locks basically is. So I want to talk about 4 things that I found very different between the two locks that kind of basically wrap up the essence of their overall differences in my opinion. The first thing I want to talk about is quality. Now the Bae Locs in my opinion has a very nice quality to it. I think it's better than the Luna lock. I'm not sure if it's because of the type of hair that they used or the way how they wrapped it, but for some reason it had a smoother, nicer, more refined look to it than the Luna lock. The Luna lock had a more rigid, kind of rough, natural, real natural type of look to it, and for some people that is what they want to go for. But if you're going for like a more nice, refined, quality type look, then the Bae Loc would be your choice. So I think in terms of quality, Bae Loc wins. Now the second thing would be the look and feel. Now this falls hand in hand with quality. The Luna lock had, after a while, it, you know, the lock itself, like the strands began to like roll up and like knots all over. Like you'd have an individual lock and then you would have like knots on the outside. So after a while it kind of felt a bit, you know, rough and untamed versus the Bae Locs, who I had it in for 6 months, and for the whole time I could have, you know, twist, neat, refine, everything was still smooth together. It felt really nice. It was a lot softer, it was a lot smoother. Bae Loc wins in terms of look and feel. The third thing that I want to categorize them and judge them on is durability. Now, as you heard me mention before, I had in the Bae Locs for a period of 6 months. I didn't intend to wear it that long, but that is just how good of a quality product it is. It didn't wear out. Maybe it's the way I installed it. I did install it pretty well. Yes, I did my hair myself, but it lasted a much longer time than the Luna locks. 2 months. Literally 2 or 3 months, give or take. But I had in the Bae Loc for like twice that time, and when I took out the Bae Loc, it was literally because I'm like, yo, it's 6 months, I need to take this out now, like this is getting bad. But I could have gone longer if I wanted to. I could have did dress it up, I could have did. In terms of durability, Bae Loc wins. I never went the full length with the Luna lock, but I don't think it would have last. Like when I took it out, it did ready. Yeah, it did ready. Alright, so the final thing that I want to talk about in terms of these two locks is care. Now, if you realize all 4 categories kind of tie into each other, but care. I mentioned, you know, bits and pieces briefly before. The Bae Loc was much easier to groom, much easier to take care of. It was much easier to wash. I was very scared to wash my hair when I had in the Luna Loc because the quality of it just seemed like once it wet, it I could just fluff out. But I washed my hair and it turned out fine. So, you know, there's that. And the Bae Loc, I found that it shined a lot better when I greased it or when I oiled it, and it took moisture a lot better too. And when it got wet, it looked even better. I get like curly, and the Bae Loc's just better. Like at the end of this video, we can wrap it up and say Bae Loc wins. So if you are interested in any of the better half of the topics we talked about, then of course Bae Loc would be your choice. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Share it in the comment section down below if you have ever tried any of these two locks before, Bae Locs or Luna Locs. What was your experience? Do you think the Luna Loc is actually better, or do you agree with me that Bae Loc wins in these two styles? So let me know in the comment section down below. Remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Share the video, like the video, follow me on social media. All my links are in the description bar below. And until next time guys, keep your hair fine.